Okay guys, welcome to Tech GH, and in today's video I will be showing you step-by-step way on how to get an international phone number for free. Alright, so if today is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video you get notified. And if you are an existing subscriber, you are welcome. So without wasting much time, open your browser. After opening your browser, in the search bar search for receivesms.com. receivesms.com, and then click on the first link that appears. Click on this link, receivesms.com. okay, then click on it. After clicking on it, it will direct you to their website. Right, scroll down till you see a list of countries. Choose the one you prefer. So example, I will choose United Kingdom, then click on cancel. Okay, so you will be given the foreign number. You will be given the foreign number, which is this one. You can use it for any verification of your choice, either being it WhatsApp, Telegram, or any kind of verification. After using it for the verification, come back to the website, refresh it for your SMS or OTP code. So that is how to get an international phone number for free. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video you get notified. See you in my next video. Thank you.